I am making a 2-ingredient ice cream cake. Now, I was told I used the wrong kind of ice cream because the ice cream I used in this video isn't real ice cream. And sure enough, this one actually has eggs in it and the other one didn't. That does make a big difference. So I'm going to try the ice cream with eggs and see if it turns out any differently. Now this is not really soft enough yet. So I'm going to have to put this in the microwave. Okay, and I'm just a little bit short on the ice cream. All right, got my bowl, get my cake mix, and my ice cream. All right, got my parchment paper. Just gonna guesstimate. All right, we're gonna throw these in the oven and see if there's any difference.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com.
All right, got my cake here. Now, I did not grease the sides. Ooh, nice. Oops. Okay, that didn't work so well. Okay. Still slightly warm, but not too bad. So I'm going to, this really ends up being the same. So having ice cream with eggs and ice cream without eggs apparently doesn't matter. Right now, I obviously did not get this loose. Okay. There we go, just a little repair, just a minor repair there, no biggie. See, when you go put the frosting over the top, no one will even notice. Okay, now of course this is 3-ingredient if you add the canned frosting. Oh. All right, I think it turned out just about the same. I will have my husband taste test. All right, I got my favorite knife. This was my grandma's. This thing is, oh my goodness, 70 years old. Okay, here we go. Oops, oh, I made it sloppy. Well, that stinks. Ooh, that looks delicious. Okay, we'll go and have Mike taste test. Huh? Just one taste. A sympathy shot. He's laid up, had surgery. Do the
bound up.
1, 2, 3, everybody all together. Oh, poor Mike.
I'm even poor miking for myself. What is this?
It's 2-ingredient cake. Well, 3 if you count the frosting.
Mm.
Do you remember the other 2-ingredient cake with ice cream?
Actually, I'm not sure if I like it. Let me try again. Mmm. Mm.
Yay, 10 out of 10?
Yep. Oh, is this one made with ice cream?
Yes.
Yum.